it going, everyone? It's Alex from Trident Crypto Asset Management, and today we're back with another tutorial video. This one is going to be on how to withdraw from a Trident vault, or essentially how to sell shares of your vault. Doing so is super easy. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're selecting the vault you want to withdraw in, and that can be done over here on the left. We can see here we have the DeFi Innovation Vault selected, which is the one that I have the most amount of shares in. And we can go ahead and hit the withdraw button. That's going to pop up a window that allows us to withdraw shares in two different fashions. The most common way is going to be to redeem shares in one single asset. Now, this is going to basically take from the vault and sell the assets that are in it and give those to you. So if the vault is currently invested in Matic, Enzyme, USDC, or in a liquidity position, Matic, you could pick which one of those you receive. Now, depending on what positions the vault is currently in at the time, this is subject to change. The other issue with that is if the vault doesn't actually have enough of the asset that you would like, well, you're going to be limited on how much the vault can sell, because if we're trying to withdraw 50 shares worth of Matic, but there's only 39 that we can see here in the vault, well, we're only going to be able to issue 39. The way around that is to contact us via our Discord, and we'll make sure to free up whatever asset that you're looking for in time for you. Now, if you're looking to withdraw right away and just get out, there is another option, and that's going to be under the advanced setting, and that's going to be to redeem shares in kind. What that does is essentially give you an equal slice of the whole vault. So for example here, we can see our portfolio is 64% Matic, 27% Enzyme, 5% USDC, and then we have 2.83% in this Aave Matic market fund. What that would do is give you an equal proportional slice, equal to the amount of shares that you're looking to redeem of all of these. So you would get 64% Matic, you would get 27% Enzyme, and a little bit of USDC and AMUSDC. Now, obviously that isn't optimal, which is why we always recommend reaching out to us on our Discord, and one of the vault managers will make sure to free up those funds for you if you're looking to withdraw more than is available. But for now, we'll just go back to that withdrawal window, and we'll say that we want to withdraw 50 of our 75 shares, and we want to receive that in wrapped Matic. We can go ahead and hit continue, and that's going to pop up a page that shows the estimated transaction fee. Once you hit submit, that will pop up a MetaMask notification asking you to finally confirm the transaction, and that will go ahead and post it to the blockchain. And once that gets posted, this will update. Now, it will take a couple seconds to go through because Enzyme does have to go ahead and place that sell order for the vault, sell those shares, and then transfer that to you. So do give it a couple minutes to post. And by clicking on our MetaMask wallet here and going over to assets, we can scroll down and see that we do in fact have our shares sold. And if we import the wrapped Matic token, we should see that we have our equivalent Matic in our vault. With that being said, that is how easy it is to withdraw funds in a Trident DeFi vault. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments. We'll make sure to get to them, or you can always reach out to us on our Discord. The invite link will be in the description. My name is Alex. Thank you for watching.